Welcome back up on the mountain today. Mrs. P and I are planning a camping trip in our Geo Pro FD19 camper, and I'm just trying to get it ready for the trip. Over here by the TV, we have a real mess going in the corner. Let me show you. So we have a little, well, this is a 4K TV interpreter thing. We have a little Wi-Fi router, and we have a 2 terabyte or 10 terabyte USB drive. Yeah, I know that pile of stuff is pretty ugly. So since we have a 3D printer, I think what I want to do is build a nice little console here in the middle where all of these things fit into, nice and neat underneath the TV. Should be plenty of room there. We just need to break out our calipers, start doing some measuring, and also a tape measure just for the bigger stuff. And then we can take all of our measurements upstairs, put it into FreeCAD, build a model, and throw it into the 3D printer. All right, I wrote down all the dimensions I think that I need for all the components out in the camper. And now it's time to move into the office, use FreeCAD, see if we can draw something. I'm sure it'll turn out about like you expect.
Daddy loves you. Sunrise paints a Blue Ridge gold. Another day begins. Coffee's brewing, stories told in the quiet morning winds. Little bare feet hit the floor, a sleepy yawn and stretch. Climb up in my lap once more, a happy little wretch. Life gets hard and wild and free, but darling, through and through, there's one thing you can count on me, and that's Daddy loves you. From the mountain high to the valley low, through every joy and tear, watching you learn and watching you grow, conquering every fear. This old guitar and callous hands, they'll always see you through. In every dream across these lands, remember Daddy loves you. Saw you chase that butterfly down by the garden gate, smudge of dirt beneath your eye, didn't hesitate to pick you up and dust you off, laughing in your soul. And every time you stumble, cough, I made you feel home. The world ain't always kind and sweet, sometimes it'll make you blue. Find your strength in weary feet, 'cause Daddy loves you. From the mountain high to the valley low, through every joy and tear, watching you learn and watching you grow, conquering every fear. This old guitar and callous hands, they'll always see you through. Every dream across these lands, remember Daddy loves you. Someday you'll spread your wings and fly beyond this familiar view. But no matter how the years go by, my love will follow you. From the mountain high to the valley low, through every joy and tear, watching you learn and watching you grow, conquering every fear. This old guitar and callous hands, they'll always see you through. In every dream across these lands, remember Daddy loves you. Yet every step you take, it's true. My sweet child, Daddy loves you. Always will, forevermore.
All right, the supports all came out in one piece. They have all the shelving on it, and the finished product looks pretty good. We will try it out in the camper. All right, we are back from the 3D printer. We have our little storage box thing here printed up. Looks pretty good. We measured for all three components. The hard drive will go on the bottom, the 4K TV device, and we'll put the Wi-Fi router on the top. And we may move it forward so we can stick the little antenna up if we need to. I also made a little tray in the top so we can store the remote. You got to optimize your storage. So I think the first thing to do is take all of this and mount it in here. I don't have a tripod with me, so we're just going to do the best we can. All right, we temporarily have our components loaded in here. We have the hard drive in the bottom. It has to stick out because there's a power button over here on the side. We have our 4K thing with the IR here in the front poking out. This one cable, I had to cut a little notch so it could go there. I didn't notice that it had to plug in the front USB port. And then we have our Wi-Fi router here on the top, and the little antennae are going to clear the TV by that much. We're also working on neatening up the wires in the back. If we turn this thing around, I went ahead and drilled some holes here. And if I was better at knowing what we were going to do, I would have formed these holes when we made the thing. But the hard drive has a wire that comes up and plugs into the 4K thing. We're going to have a power cord and an HDMI cable that come down here and hook in this line also. And this is the Wi-Fi router. It just takes power off of the 4K USB. Pretty much all we have to do is take this and put it in there. I think we're going to pull the TV off the wall. It'll be easier. All right, we have the power wire and the HDMI coming down through here into that center component, and it's all plugged in. The wires are kind of neatened up. We got to make sure that this doesn't hit the wall right here. Let's go ahead and put that in position, which is just pretty much set it up like this, and see what we got going on. Now, first thing I see is this cushion is going to be touching. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe we should have moved that hard drive up about an inch. Should have measured a little bit better, but I think it'll be fine once we get it all put together. It might slide back a little bit more. Next thing we need to do is remount the TV on top and neaten up all these wires behind it. Now the top of this thing locks behind the TV so it doesn't move at all, and it's nice and firm. The mattress is, or the seat back is pushing on this hard drive, and there's not much I can do about it, but I guess that'll keep it from vibrating at all. We can get our components back a little bit further. But yeah, overall, that looks a lot better than what we had the first time. And it only cost about $11 in filament. So we'll call that a win.
Daddy loves you.
All right, well, that's going to do it for the day. You guys make sure to get outside, do something fun. Come back and tell me about it.